Dust a tablespoon of salt onto your worn and stained mattress, and you may never need to purchase a new one again. That's right, folks. With this tip, your old mattress will look like new. So here's what you do. Take a container, and in it we'll add about 150 milliliters of water. Okay, but it's not hot water, it's warm water. Let's pour it in, and next you'll require a tablespoon of regular kitchen salt. Let's mix that in along with some dish soap. I'm using this lemon-scented one, but you can use your preferred one. We'll add just a tablespoon of dish soap. Let's give it a mix. We'll also need vinegar. It has to be specifically white distilled vinegar. No alternative type will suffice. Next, we'll incorporate precise tablespoons of vinegar into our mixture. Additionally, to finish the process, we will require baking soda. We'll add exactly 1 tablespoon of baking soda to our tablespoon of baking soda. When I'm adding the baking soda, the reaction will occur. However, this reaction is completely normal, so there's no need for concern. Now let's mix it really well and then we'll wait for this foam to settle. Once that's done, the next step is to take a bottle and pour our entire mixture into it. Remember to pierce a hole in the cap. This will make application much easier. Now just close the bottle. And here, folks, it's simple. Take it and spread this mix all over your mattress. Later we'll come with a cloth, okay? Removing all the excess. You don't need to dampen it removing all the excess. Just a thin layer will do. It's almost like dry cleaning. Then grab a cloth, a clean cloth, and we'll go over the entire mattress. As you can see, the mattress looks clean and free of any visible dirt. But when I wipe it with this cloth, folks, it'll remove all that dirt we can't see. That's the famous dust mite. Okay, that's all over the mattress. Often when you're lying or sitting on your mattress, you might find yourself sneezing, coughing, or experiencing allergies such as rhinitis or sinusitis. And you don't know why. I'll show you now. We're going to come and remove all the dirt. So folks, I've rubbed the symptoms such as sneezing, coughing or allergies like rhinitis, or sinus already coming off can often be triggered by dust mites. It's the dirt we can't see and other particles that accumulate your mattress over time. You're breathing this in a day. It helps eliminate allergens and other contaminants, and I'm contributing to a healthier sleeping environment and potentially reducing allergy symptoms. That's today's tip. Regular maintenance. Thank you for sharing your advice with your Marion mattress cleaner. Until next time, looking forward to the next video. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.